Your next smartphone is about to get more expensive, but not for the reason you think. Once you hear why, you'll never look at phone prices the same way again. Like, share, and subscribe, because this is gonna impact every phone you buy for years. The real price problem isn't the camera, design, or processor. It's something inside your phone that you never even notice. Memory. A new report reveals that Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have stopped buying memory altogether. Not because they want to pause production, but because RAM prices have exploded. Even manufacturers are shocked at the rapid increase. Let me simplify it. RAM is the short-term memory that keeps your apps running smoothly. NAND is the storage where everything in your phone is saved. Both components are produced in limited factories. Now, massive AI data centers are buying almost all of it. AI servers need huge amounts of RAM, and they're paying 30% more than smartphone companies. This means suppliers like Samsung, Micron, and Kioxia are prioritizing these high-paying AI clients. Smartphone brands are left with almost no inventory, and some are literally running out of RAM. To make things worse, memory manufacturers are reducing NAND production on purpose to push prices higher. Reports say these prices will keep rising through the first half of 2026. This isn't just a China issue. Every major brand depends on the same global supply chain. Smartphone companies now have two choices: reduce RAM and storage or raise prices. When memory becomes the most expensive part of a phone, which brand will break first? Will they downgrade your device without telling you, or will they increase the price right in front of you? The next few months will reveal everything.